Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at 8 trendy bob haircut ideas. Loving this bob featuring the baby bangs in the front. The color and everything looks absolutely gorgeous. And then we move into this beautiful bob haircut transformation. This one is going to feature some beautiful color. So the stylist did a pop of blonde going there in the front, as well as some bottleneck bangs. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas, please feel free to like today's video and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have another gorgeous bob haircut transformation. And that one featured more of that popular inverted bob style. And then we see someone going from long hair to gorgeous bob haircuts. Next up, we have another long to bob haircut transformation. And then we see someone with a grown out bob, and she's gonna also be getting her hair cut into a bob haircut. Absolutely gorgeous classic bob hairstyle. And then we have a very Cleopatra inspired bob for the next look. This one features full bangs in the front portion of the hair and ends just around the shoulders. Next up, we have another beautiful blunt bob haircut. And if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.